Wow. Charles, say hi to the boys. And everyone in this neighborhood has just woken up. Yeah? Go f yourself. What's up, Alright guys, this idiot is here so we can make his car louder today, right Greg? Yeah. Let's hear it. Yep. Like it's not loud already. Yeah. Let me pull the car out. Alright guys, as you guys can tell, like I just said, Greg is here today so we can make his car louder. Even though it's already loud as shit. Right now I'm pulling my car out so we can pull his in the garage. But yeah, we're gonna be making that little piece of shit louder than it already is. I hope you guys enjoy. Just got my car pulled out, got the Mustang pulled out. Now let's get to work on Gregory's car. Alright guys, we just got the car in the air. It's already dark outside as you guys can see, but now we have to actually go rent a pipe cutter tool so we can cut Greg's exhaust off. Don't even pull the e-brake, it doesn't work.
I wonder why.
Okay, where are we going right now, Gregory?
We're here to pick up the new turbos.
Pulling up to O'Reilly to pick up the new pure turbos. That's the tool that we came to get.
The tail pipe cutter. It's a sick ass GTR.
It's a nice GTR.
Snowballs. There's nothing there. It's all the torque speed.
Imagine doing that at like 200 miles an hour. Which this puppy will fucking do, but
watch the airbag go off.
I don't even think there's an airbag here, to be honest. We're back, boys. Oh yeah, we still have to unbox that shit. So he actually got new mid pipes from VRSF, which is like a replacement for his, but we have to cut his stock ones off in order to fit these ones on. So let's go ahead and unbox them.
Go down there and show them.
Nah.
Are they recording?
No. We got stickers!
Wow.
Wow.
There's no paper with the measurements, is there?
We're gonna have to eyeball this, Greg. Good thing I know how to do the alignment myself.
Their welds are actually really nice.
Yeah. At this point, VRSF literally needs to give us some discounts or some shit. Because we got everything from them. We got intakes, charge pipes,
J-pipe,
down pipes, J-pipe. That's just your car. My car has down pipes, intakes. That's it. So we have the mid pipe. These two connect together. This connects to the down pipes. And then these go to the muffler itself, one on each side. It's a big ass pipe. Hello!
My boy Charles.
Hey Charles. Charles.
How's it hanging?
Charles, say hi to the boys. Charles, you want coffee, something, brother? Nothing? Yeah, it's gonna make a good sound. Nah, it's heavy, so that means it's good quality. You know that titanium crap, that's way too light. This is all the crap. How much does this cost, Greg?
$650.
If you want to shoot flames, $650. I like your cut, G. So this is basically what we're trying to get rid of. These are the secondary cats right here, and then his resonator right there. We're basically getting rid of all that and putting brand new pipe on. So this is what we have to go and rent. It's basically sits around your pipe. Clamp it on, and then you just spin it until it cuts it. These are like sharp little round things that just cut the pipe. Just slap it around and just cut it.
Just cut it off. Straight off.
Yeah, I'm not even going to show you guys any details. We're just going to slap everything on. And then you can hear the details. So we got almost everything off from the bottom, but we have to assemble this.
I think this goes right
outside. Yeah. So we'll just assemble it right here. Alright, we got the mid pipe all assembled up. Now we have to put it on so we can measure where to cut his original one. Because it doesn't even come with instructions.
Excuse me, your mandals are in the way. I see some dirty ass toes.
Why are you hating on my mandals? Alright guys, so here's what we're working with. That's the new one. This is his old one still on there. We basically have to measure exactly where to cut his old one, which is gonna have to be around here somewhere. So we have to hold up that new exhaust and mark where to cut this. If only VRSF sent like a template or something, that would have been perfect, but you basically have to kind of eyeball it.
So they say 1.5 inches after the weld. Okay.
Do the other one
right
too.
Here.
Do the other one too. That's basically where we're supposed to cut it, but we have to check.
Alright.
You bitch. Side by side, old one right here, new one right there. So this is what I was showing you guys earlier. These are the two cats, the secondary cats. This one is just a straight pipe.
Oh, there's one right here. Right here.
No,
No?
this doesn't have a cat.
Oh, it doesn't?
Stupid ass. You're so stupid, Greg.
A resonator right here.
There's a resonator right there too. But yeah, those are the cats. No cats. Resonator. No resonator.
One more cat right here.
Yep. Okay, now we have to transfer over those hangers from the old one onto this new one. So there's one right there too. We have to transfer it onto here. Alright guys, we just got everything back on and buttoned up. As you guys can see, everything is on, bolted up. Now we just got to clean up around here. We'll drop the car and give you guys a sound clip. Alright, here's a quick startup and then we're going to go somewhere to give it some revs because it's late right now. That's just loud. Alright, let's go somewhere. We're gonna go get some clips somewhere else because that shit is really loud. Oh shit! Oh my god! Damn, my shit sounds like a freaking toy compared to that.
It's too loud. We can't do it.
Alright guys, I'm gonna set it up and we're gonna get some flames. We're probably gonna get kicked out of this parking lot. I hope you know that. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! We gotta get the hell out of here.
There's a shock wave.
Yeah, we gotta get the hell out of here.
One more, let's go.
Let's go. Oh, that low life. And he's still scraped. Oh my god. You have no idea how illegal that is. Sir, pull over, that's illegal! Guys, you cannot physically comprehend how loud that actually is. That shit is f***ing loud. Alright, we're gonna drop my car off and go for a little spin in his. So we're gonna try to mount the GoPro so we can get some footage for you guys. We got the GoPro mounted. Let's go do some stupid things. Oh shit! Oh, bro, those are bad. Like the whole car vibrates. And everyone in this neighborhood has just woken up. Whoa! I got the perfect title. We just created the loudest F80 M3 ever.
And it's actually not clickbait.
That's not clickbait. We came to get some E85. The cleanest part of your car is where the GoPro mounts. Alrighty, time to wake some more people up. There it goes. Oh shit! Bro, that's louder than a freaking firework. It's legit a firework. Well, I think that's a mission success.
Sort of.
Great success. Be very, very quiet. Say goodnight to the young folks.
My diaper just in case I defecate myself.
Just in case.
You know.
There might be a little defecation.
Get that, bro.
Oh my god.
It's carbon.
Is this Empower? This is made by Motorsport? BMW Motorsport?
No, it's a Nissan.
I like your cut, G. And that's efficient mode. Well guys, as you guys can tell, we created a monster. My camera battery's about to die. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.